viewers, you are watching Digital Transformation Channel 2. With me, Nathania, and Oentari will bring you the most updated information about three big companies. The first one is 𝗚𝗥𝗢𝗨𝗣. With a new generation of the digital first millennia training its customers, 𝗚𝗥𝗢𝗨𝗣 has been working hard to make its marketing strategy more responsive to customers' needs in increasing the digital engagement. So the technology that they use is the first one is digital advertising. 𝗚𝗥𝗢𝗨𝗣 recognizes the value of using real-time data to boost advertising efforts, as well as the mobile-first strategy to build customers and give more personalized experience of the mobile application. So 𝗚𝗥𝗢𝗨𝗣 has taken the completely different approach when they use digital marketing. The first one is close monitoring is carried out at the day of the campaign with the opportunity to refine its retargeting customer profiles, changing the message and running testing non-stop, allowing to the mass efficient changes. The second one is budget assigned. The audience of another, as well as the digital platform of another, can be modified daily, if not hourly, so the improved effectiveness and the ad spend. So 𝗚𝗥𝗢𝗨𝗣 has also established the global media group, which has been working closely with the market and brand firm and developing in-house digital tools and resources for them to assist them in adapting to the change to digital. Global media group analyzes data from all active digital and social media campaigns to the provide recommendation and changes, as well as the sales practice and to the company allocates. The second technology that they use is 𝗚𝗥𝗢𝗨𝗣. 𝗚𝗥𝗢𝗨𝗣 has also begun to introduce 𝗚𝗥𝗢𝗨𝗏 as way to boost customers' engagement, particularly at home. Oentari is the one of the company 𝗚𝗥𝗢𝗨𝗏 experience, which is managed by the breakthrough innovation. Big Oentari provides a fun and interactive method to prepare the cocktails and consume spirits at home. You can control it with the mobile app. The PN app maintains a list over 300 drinks to provide the user with an easy and visual one. Its cartridge is 25 ounces, the same size with the bottle of spirit. It is designed to blend it with any interior. 𝗚𝗥𝗢𝗨𝗏 has also been monitoring how customers' homes are changing. As a result of the new wave, the 𝗚𝗥𝗢𝗨𝗏 device and released the What for Tales, the ability of Imagine show, but this is only exclusive for the UK. To provide a voice-operated visual cocktails, finally, the company has spent a lot of time experimenting with how to connect the package to the users and make it more informative and enjoyable. It creates a special NFC-enabled Malibu bottle, for example, that can be used in an NFC-ready smartphone to access Malibu theater music, win prize, and learn about cocktails. NFC packaging helped to boost brand interaction and variety at home. Last year, Valentine introduced its Connect bottle. Valentine London can predict the video, text, or image the Bluetooth Connect smartphone active. Implementation of the technology, overall 𝗚𝗥𝗢𝗨𝗏 digital transformation covers four aspects. The first one, increasing the group efficiency by leveraging data in the extensive process with the program like the Start of Finance 4.0, adopting innovative ways of working, such as engineering methodology that are already in use by the tech giants, creating the new business division and joint ventures that complement of the route to customers, such as the group efforts in Africa to improve on demand of the wine and spirit to customers' home or the established rate of drink and cook. In addition, new relationships with the other businesses are being built. Several brands, including the Absolut, Remington, Wherever, and even Havana Group, create collaboration over the last year to create innovative online experience to stay engaged with the customers during the pandemic. Next, we continue by.
Thank you, Ruth, for the explanation. Now we're going to talk about the company's strategy on serving their customers. So in recent years, direct access to customers has become a major strategic goal, which results in the creation of platforms. But this direct access can only be ensured by providing customers with a good user experience and a wide range of products. So to do this, Pernod Ricard developed Drinks & Co., which is an innovative omni-channel sales platform. This platform allows customers to test before they purchase, place an order for delivery, or just come in for a drink. So more than 20,000 clients have been attracted by this omni-channel approach. Next, we're going to talk about how the tech that Pernod use can be able to provide some convenience. So with the implementation of digital advertising, not only they promote effectiveness and efficiency, they can also boost their sales higher than ever before, as campaigns and data analyzing are now carried out more effectively. Moreover, with the experiments of IoT, Internet of Things, Pernod has been able to interact with customers in a more fun and attractive way ever than before. Lastly, we're going to talk about the several challenges that Pernod is facing on their way to transforming digitally. First, there might be some barriers in implementing digital innovations for them. Launching digital transformation separately by different market and brand firms turns out to result in higher costs. For example, Malibu and Valentine's connected bottles were developed in separate by two brand corporations. It will be more efficient to concentrate on a few significant initiatives centrally and then have market companies activate them once they're ready, providing them with more negotiating power and lower costs. Don't you think so? Second, we have BIG. BIG might be having a hard time communicating with the corporation because BIG's pacing is actually quite slow, as they took a nice 3 years to confirm the OPN's application launch, which we could say that they are quite far behind, considering how advanced technology is now and the rapid shifts in customers' preference. We say they should pay more attention to the communication line with the rest of the organization to enable quick and clearance and global launch. Lastly, by partnering with OPN to offer delivery services, Parent Record will be forced to think harder about how to provide these services, which now is lacking. Projects like this will raise greater questions about the company's business model. So those are the challenges, and next we'll be passing it on to Nathan.
So as we all know that 𝗚𝗥𝗢𝗨𝗣 company is one of the good examples of a company that actually been adapting to the number of technologies, and the company is also known to be spending approximately 5 years to make sure that the internal and external system has been completely digitalized as a whole. Therefore, during these 5 years, the company has implemented several technologies such as vending machine that is being supported with the technology of AI to provide a personalized experience towards their customer, which allows the customers to be using their loyalty app on buying the goods that they have sold in the vending machine. And the company is also known to be developing their own loyalty app to enable them on using the data analytics and machine learning algorithms to track all of the customer behaviors as well as the number of sales that have been generated as a whole. On the other hand, the company is also known to be adapting to augmented reality or AR towards their packaging in China, so that they can be able to create more personalized experience than ever according to the team or events that currently be trending in the market right now. And for the marketing aspects in particular, the company is also known to be leveraging the digital marketing with the help of IT on doing some analysis towards their marketing performances. Thus, it will give some in-depth understanding of the number of customer behaviors and their buying patterns in general. Moreover, the company is also known to be also using the amount of data that they have gathered to create a more personalized video advertisement and yet engaging enough for persuading the younger demographics to be interested in buying their products. So for the implementation of the strategy that the company used for serving their customer, which is the customer-centered strategies, where the company is more focusing their time and effort on crafting the technologies that provide a personalized experience for the customers, especially for the younger demographics. And in developing countries like China, the company has also been implementing AR technology into their packaging that can be accessed with the help of several local applications such as Baidu, Alibaba, or WeChat, where the customer can scan the barcode that has been provided within the packaging and watch the videos according to the theme and event that is currently being a hot topic right now. And basically, how is the technology can be able to provide some convenience within the operational aspect of the company. So the technology is also known to be helping the company to constantly automate their operational aspects and the customer research as a whole, due to the loyalty app that is being powered by the machine learning algorithms and data analytics, which allows the company to get an in-depth understanding of their customer needs and wants and tracking the number of sales that has been made in the day. Hence, it will give the company to some ways on how to provide a personalized experience towards each of the customer demographics, whether it is the younger demographics or the older demographics. However, there are some challenges that are being faced by the company as a whole. For competing with the competitors, the company is also known to be having several challenges in transforming the internal and external system into digital, and those challenges are consistent as follows. For the first challenges that they will be facing, which is the transformation of its experience. As the company has already been in the industry for a long time, the company will definitely be facing the same thing as the other company do, which is struggling to be updated towards the technology of that has existed within the market right now. Because as we all know that all of the existence of the technology have only been lasted for several years or even only been lasted for several months. Therefore, to keep up with the number of changes, the company will need to stay on track with the technology that is being needed to be implemented, and it will require a higher cost to begin its technology development. The second challenge is that the company will be facing with, which is the operational experience. The main difficulties that the company has been experiencing are the way that the company can ensure all of those employees that are working in the company will be able to utilize the amount of data and technologies in the right way, so that the company can be able to understand the needs and wants of their customers. In addition, the company must be making sure that the company has already been conducting enough training to provide some better understanding to the employees regarding the several steps in performing the technology within every layer of divisions. And the third challenges that they will be facing with, which is the business transformation. So keep up with the changes. The company will need to constantly be stepping ahead from their competitors so that the company can be able to provide several experience that are more personalized than ever, or otherwise the company will not be able to provide its own unique value proposition as well as the unique selling points towards their target market.
Customer centricity, which means to put the customer as the priority and the center of everything we do. 3 elements on customer-centric strategy. First, personalized customer's connection. Not only through phone and map surface to get real-time understanding of customer, but also integrate surface into a more holistic strategy, which includes dynamic setting platforms like social media. Second, agile methods to act on customer data and translate it to meaningful action. Through EMC personal big data journey, 2 key takeaways, which is the need to build up a scalable platform and shift the responsibility of the value data. This allows the company to deliver a more personalized service experience. Third, commitment to continuous improvement. EMC focus on creating personal customers connection through effective listening posts, using agile methods to act on customer data and building continuous improvement. Through VMware innovative app modernization, multi-cloud, and anywhere workspace software, it helps customers to achieve secure, consistent operation and faster time value. VMware Andel provides greater speed and agility, reduce costs and improve performance, increase productivity and employee satisfaction, improve security and resiliency, and operational efficiency. Tangi on VxRail helps developing cloud-native strategy easy by leveraging consistent infrastructure and operations to support faster application development, scalability, and lifecycle management to ensure the latest Kubernetes tools and features. With Dell EM SD-WAN solution, providing all-in-one solution that helps customers to transform their network for the cloud era. VMware Cloud Foundation or VxRail provides full-stack integration with automated development and strong lifecycle management.
Hi, so back with me again, Rio. Regarding what are the challenges that EMC Square or Dell EMC have faced throughout the digitalization implementation or process. Here I can only say 2, which are skilled resources and technologies. Digitalization also means that the number of skilled workers are much more needed compared to before. Skills such as big data analytics, data science, AMI, and smart meters are needed more, as it plays a crucial role in terms of managing and working with DTA. These skilled workers are hard to find, attract, and hire these days, since digitalization in terms of data analytics has just been recently done in this era. But universities have tried their best to encourage more studies regarding these topics and try to embrace it. So for now, it might be hard, but in the future, hopefully it will be easier for us to recruit them. The second one is technology. It can be assured that with more innovation that has been brought out in order to make work much more efficient and effective, it can be said that the amount of technology we have today does not support the working system 100%, yet it can still be improved. As for now, the technologies used are still separated within different platforms, and there is no application of technology that has been thought out to combine all the platforms that we have used right now into one place to make the working system much more efficient and support the current working system to make it better at least.
So what are the technologies that they have created and also implement through the digitalization process? So Dell EMC has launched PowerEdge MX with the purpose to increase data processing capacity and also energy efficiency. PowerEdge MX itself uses 3rd generation Xeon Scalable, which favors sustainability compared to any other previous model, which is 60% better in terms of energy efficiency. It is also equipped with several cooling systems that help to reduce downtime of server and increase uptime of server by cooling the hottest part of the server. Other than that, they also equip PowerEdge MX with processors that can deliver 46% higher performance compared to previous generation. So as we can tell, PowerEdge MX is much better compared to the old ages. They have started a revolution and also started a new innovation. And other than PowerEdge MX from Dell EMC, they also introduces SAP technology, or we can just shout it out as SAP technology or SAP HANA. So SAP HANA is a data platform that allows us to accelerate businesses' processes, analyzing great consumption data, and simplifying IT environments by using the data that is provided and separating the legacy system and silhouette data in order for managers to make better decision making in the digital world. So we have 4 types of SAP HANA. So the first one is SAP HANA Streaming Analytics. So in SAP HANA Streaming Analytics, they provide real-time streaming analytics to the SAP HANA platform to provide convenience for developers to incorporate smart stream capture and active event monitoring, alerting, and also event-driven response capabilities to the SAP HANA platform. The second one is SAP HANA Data Access, Integration, and Virtualization. So here we can get data from any source possible, which supports federated queries, data replication, remote data sync, and improving data quality in order for IT staff to access data internally and also externally. Third, SAP Analytics Cloud and SAP Digital Boardroom. Planning, predictive analytics, and business intelligence are combined in a SaaS model, so IT staff can take advantage of modern, intuitive user experience and save time doing all the analytics job when it comes to collaboration. And last but not least is SAP HANA Utilities Solution. The SAP HANA application provides database technologies, sensory data from grid networks, utility meters, and emergency operation to reduce utility downtime, improve customer satisfaction, and all the overall aspects of utilities operation. It is designed to handle types of data like structured and unstructured data, big data, and streaming data to transform and deliver real-time analytical insights.